Hi, hello, welcome to my channel guys. Have you ever thought to invest in mutual funds? Many of us says yes and many of us says no because they don't have any idea on the mutual fund, right? Don't worry guys, in this video we will see about the mutual funds and how it works. So let's start the video. Mutual fund is a company that pools the money of the investors and they will invest on the securities. It may be stock market or debt market or anything else. So I know you didn't understood. Don't worry, we will solve in the simple manner. Mutual fund is a company that collects money like you and me. Suppose you have invested 1000 rupees on the mutual fund. As the same manner, there are 1 lakh people have invested 1000 rupees on the same mutual fund. Then the total value will be 10 crores, right? Now the mutual fund, the 10 crores will be invested on the debt market or stock market. So now you may get doubt. So what is the profit for the investors? So the profit of the investors is that the mutual fund which you have invested, the company have invested on the debt market or stock market, right? The profit they will get, right? So they will equally distribute the total profit to all the investors. So one point is there in this process, that is they won't distribute equally the total profit because here no one does the social work. I mean the free for you, right? Each mutual fund company has different percentage. They will keep some profit money and the remaining profit money they will distribute equally. So this is all about the mutual fund guys. I think you got an idea on the mutual fund, right? Still, many of us thinking that the stock market and the mutual fund are the same. You are also thinking in same manner. Then you are absolutely wrong guys. Before knowing that, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel guys and add a like button and share to your friends and family also. Yeah, it's absolutely wrong guys. I will say in the simple manner, if you want to go Delhi and you are having a car, then you have two solutions. In first solution, you only can drive and the total responsibilities will be yours. Responsibilities, I mean that wearing a seat belt or speed limit, or you only can judge the route, which is the shortcut and which is the long cut, and you have to judge the in which destination you can reach fastly, right? And in the second solution, you can hire a driver to go Delhi and the total responsibilities, I mean the seat belt or en route or anything else, the total responsibility will be drivers, right? So like this manner, in first solution it is a stock market, the total responsibility will be yours, and the second solution is like mutual fund, the total responsibility will be mutual fund companies, right? So I think you got an idea, right? So from now onwards, if anyone says the stock market and the mutual fund is same, then please give a clarity on that. So now you started thinking we can easily invest on the mutual fund and all the responsibilities will be taken in the company. We has no responsibilities, only we should pay the money. If you think like this, then it's wrong guys, because mutual fund also have risk according its types. In mutual fund there are 3 types of funds. The first fund is the equity fund. In this fund the risk is the high and the returns also high because they will invest only in the stock market. Second type in the mutual fund is debt fund. In here returns is low and the risk value also low. And the third fund comes hybrid fund. As this name is hybrid, the debt fund and the equity fund both will be present here. Risk value is the moderate and the returns value also moderate, I mean in medium value. So I will say some points, it will help you to choose the best mutual fund. If you want to invest in short term, then I would suggest you to choose the debt fund because the risk value is low and you can get more interest than a bank. Second point is that mutual fund has 3 schemes. In the first scheme is the large cap, and second one is the mid cap, and third one is the small cap. In large cap, you will get low returns and the risk is low because they will invest on the companies which is giving already nice returns. Second one, that is the mid cap. The returns will be moderate and the risk value also moderate. And finally small cap. In here the risk value is high and the returns also high because they will invest on the small companies and the new companies also. So these are the few basic steps of the mutual fund. It will help to judge the best mutual fund. So in India there are many mutual funds. You can choose among any of the company and just you should analyze that the company invest on the debt fund or equity fund or hybrid fund. That's it. So finally I want to say in the mutual fund is that
म्यूचुअल फंड निवेश बाजार जोखिमों के अधीन है। योजना से जुड़े सभी दस्तावेजों को ध्यान से पढ़ें।
So be careful before investing guys. So that's the video guys. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, add a like button and share to your friends and family also. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel guys. And see you in the next video.
है।